Michael Pardo. All day to throw. And it's going to be dumped. And big throw to Gus. Strike cut up the field. Big, looking big. Oh, good. And the only throw is a big one down the field. Looking for Kyle. Oh, another good bid by the Cincinnati Revolution. And with the quick big scuba around looking for the break. And the Revolution's just moving around the field. Oh, good bid. Good break throw by Chicago. Oh, good bid by Joe. Unfortunately, just couldn't come up with it. And this is going to lead to another. Settles looking big. Got a man. Will the disc stay in bounds? And the call is going to be good. And that's going to be a big put. Oh! And it's going to be a big put by Chicago. Oh, what a good break throw. And that's going to be for the score. And Mac's going to look big. And that's going to be... Oh, big scuba across the field. And that's going to be a big backhand. And Chicago's in. And Joe looking big. And that's going to be caught. It's going to be a big throw. And Dilworth makes a play on the disc, unable to come up with it. Wildfire. Looking for the around. And what a great throw. Good strike cut. And settles. Throws it back in for the greatest. And it's going to be caught. And it's going to be a big Gorman box out. 48. Sam Schruer. Looking for the score, and there it is. Easy work up the field. And this is going to be a long throw all the way across the field for the score. Big throw. Oh, good deep by Diaz we didn't see in the first quarter. Big hammer across the field. Good cut by Romar. He's going to put it for the end zone. Oh, big Scott. Oh, good read. That's going to be a no call. And Gorman with the defense. Still streaking. Ryan Gorman jumps up and gets this guy for the score. Just looking to put this game within close. Oh, good layout bid by number 88, Ted Landis, with the reset. There it is, and the score. Looking for the score. Oh, and the Cincinnati Revolution. And able to come up with it after the second catch. And Gus is going deep. Is able to get it for the score. Revolution's going to come out in a 5-2 stack. A good handle cut. Oh, just out of the reach. Rev in both the Wildfire. And good D here. And that was Dilworth coming up with it. Dilworth coming out of nowhere to get the layout D. Revolution looking to get this one back here. And they did. Good D. And that's going to be a play on. And that's going to be Ryan Gorman. And they're going to feed it to him. And he's going to come up with the score. And that's going to put him up 24-20. Oh, what a layout D.